Showing a Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem. Make sure you take a look at it. Pause the video if you need to. See if you can figure it out, and then we'll go through it together. So this problem is a problem solving and data analysis type problem, and it reads as follows. So you have this table here on the left that has cars. Well, this is talking about number of vehicles on the car lot according to their color, and you see that in the table, the colors of the vehicles and how often they appear in those particular colors. It says there are 17 cars on a certain car lot as shown in the table on the left. Based on the table, what is the median color of cars on the lot? Excuse me. So it's 17 cars. So here's the deal. So this is, like I say, problem solving and data analysis. Specifically, we're talking about like statistics type stuff, mean, median, and mode. Now, question is, what is median? Remember, if you're talking about the mean, that's your average. If you're talking about the mode, that is the number appearing most often. Oops, most, not most. And then the median is the middle number. But don't forget, because I see a lot of students forget this, when the numbers are put in order. Now note the order of this is red, black, blue, white, and gray. So it's 17 cars. Now what we could do, but for the SAT it'll take too much time, we could just list out all these in order and then kind of mark on left side, right side until we get the middle number. However, that will take too much time. So you got to think about it. If it's 17 cars on a car lot, which one is the middle number? Basically, since it's an odd number, it really helps us out here. The middle number is going to be number, let me see, 9. Okay. So because why? Because 8 plus 8 is 16, and then if you add one more, that's 17. So that means the 17th number in the middle is going to be number 9, if that makes sense. So that means we had to go 8 numbers in, and then number 9 would be the one. So if this is the order, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 would fall right here with blue. So the median color is blue. If that doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments. If you got it, let me know that in the comments as well, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.